The third thing that it does, the main thing that it does, what we built everything else around, is it combats delay, deny, defend, right? Because that was one of our biggest issues, just the time that it took for, responding to adjusters.
Yeah.
I mean, it happens to all restorers. We get some email responses sometimes that are 60, 70, they say questions, but really they're not. They're more demands, right? And this system it'll sift through all of your field documentation, moisture mapping, photos, so on and so forth, codes, regulations, and standards in your areas, and it composes responses to these adjusters. And then the fourth thing that it does is it has a comparative feature. So you no longer have to sift through both, estimates or invoices and try to figure out where they're beating you up at. Our system will automatically do that within 5 to 7 minutes.